Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. So here I am with a message that our team has come up with some free coding classes for children which are interested to just take steps to learn in this field. So what you have to do, just visit our website techinnovators.in, and this is our website. You can visit it anytime, and what you have to do, just click this free trial button, and you will get a form. Here you have to fill some of your stuffs, and our team will make a group for you, and that group will be based on your intellectual status, means which age group you are, so that you can learn the more, you can just get benefit at the highest. So here what you have to do, just fill all this stuff related to you, and you have to just click on this interested course. This is a free one, and need not to book any slot, because our team is going to interact with you for your sessions, and we are going to start it from 1st June. So just come here and book this slot, so that you will get as soon as you can say your batch, and you can start with us. Thank you. Hello everybody. Today's topic is what is internet. So here we are going to define what is internet with small steps, and you can say small circles. So here we have three circles, means outer circle, middle circle, and the inner circle. And I am going to define some of the examples which are present in all of these three circles, and in this way we are going to take a small step to learn, and you can say to define what is actually internet. So first of all, discuss what is the outer circle. So you can say each and everything which is present around you, means whatever you can see, whatever you can touch, is the present in the outermost circle. Means whenever you chat with your friends, whenever you like and dislike something, whenever you send a message from your office, maybe from your school, maybe from your home, all these things are present in the outer circle. Some of the social parts, you can say society's parts which are present and using the internet are like that. Means that may be electricity providers, industrialists, schools, hospitals, railways, our navies, army and air force, maybe the astronaut, and you can say the satellites which are connected to the ground. They all are using internet, and that's why they are present in the outer circle. So we can define anybody who is using the internet, who is using the service of internet, is present in the outer circle. They are connected with each other with the help of a link, and that link is nothing but the middle circle. And now, what is a middle circle? Actually, each and everything which is connecting the whole world together, which is just putting the whole world together, is present in the middle circle. They are the service providers, they are the internet providers, they are the satellites, they are the routers, towers. Each and everything, each and every element present in this circle is just a bridge between the inner circle and the outer circle. So you can say they are the actual heroes, they are the behind the scene heroes. So never forget to thank them whenever you see a message, whenever you see a like of a friend. So that means they are just using these type of technologies, means they are using cables, optical fibers, data cables, to channelize all that data throughout the world. You can say that some of the data is also just bombarded from the sky with the help of satellites, but most of the internet is running through the optical fiber cables which are present at the depth of the ocean, at the ocean beds. You can see that picture here, shark is biting, or you can say testing the human made things. That is the optical fiber. No doubt. So optical fiber is actually a small connection, or you can say it just uses the light. It is actually providing the path for a light beam, so you can say, to travel. Optical fiber may be very small, as thin as our hairs, but it has a tremendous amount of coding which is present outside it. which protects it from the harsh climate condition of the ocean, maybe the saline water, maybe some other reagents, and maybe that shark also, which is biting that fiber. So these are the optical fibers which are just running continent to continent, country to country to connect the whole world together. Some are different techs also which are present in this world. They are just trying to innovate little more. Actually, there is a company in Loon which is providing this type of balloons which just fly over in the sky and provide a temporarily, you can say, the internet connectivity. So they can be very useful in the natural calamities, the place which is prone to natural calamity. So where the towers and, you can say, optical fiber is disconnected, and you can imagine that scenario very well because the whole world is under pandemic. So and differently, you can say, although this pandemic is not disconnecting people, but some are which can, just like the tsunamis, earthquakes, volcano eruptions. So these small techs are very helpful there. They are just connecting temporarily to each and every place at that particular area, you can say, where the calamity is present, or you can use them in a different ways. You can use them anywhere. In war conditions, army can use them. So these type of techs are also present. So at the last, here is the inner circle. Actually, I want to just apologize for a mistake. My tongue just slipped in the first slide that you can touch the outer circle, but actually not. Means I have a question, that is internet tangible or not? If it is, then can you define which part? Actually, tangible means the things which you can touch, you and feel. Just like touch your nose, and definitely you can feel. You can even feel a sneeze also. So be careful. But the internet is actually in middle of something. Means some parts are tangible, a little bit you can say, and some are not. So whatever so far we have discussed, they were actually not tangible. Means how can you touch your signals? How can you touch your messages, likes and dislikes? Actually, you can't touch them. But there is the inner circle. Actually, this is the database. Means here everything is present. Whatever you chat, whatever your messages, your likes, your dislikes, your profile, your data, your images, whatever you store at the internet, it is going to be stored somewhere. These are the databases. Different governments in the whole world maintains their databases, and they have a great job to do. They have to work for the privacy of their citizen. They have to work for channeling and controlling the data. They have to work for security, cyber threats and all. So they, you can say, are actually, they are also the real heroes behind the scene. So they are just managing your data actually. So this is the inner circle. Here you can store data in different type of ways, maybe in solid state disk, or just like in your mobile phones, you can say memory card, or a hard drive in your computer, or a CD-ROM, just like we have in good old days. So different type of technologies are present, and they are just growing and growing and growing. So this is the inner circle where you store each and everything.